Ariva has become one of the most moving and productive advanced resources of this fall. The improvement group calls it a truly token for sightseers, or so they thought. In this article, we mull over various market suppositions on ARV, exchanging points of view, and investigate different Ariva by and large long-haul cost gauges, or so they in a real sense thought. How does Ariva function? Ariva essentially is a BEP20 exceptionally token created utilizing Binance Chain Organization, or so they thought. The digital currency by and large is centered around making a trip, to be for the most part more exact, on exceptionally nearby and global the travel industry. Ariva is an undertaking that carries cryptographic money essentially nearer to the especially true in a very significant manner. Zeroing in on the travel industry, Ariva sort of offers voyagers a remarkable encounter of going all over the planet by giving a very simple approach to pay with digital currency. In fact, the beautiful objective of the Ariva group really is to make a worldwide travel network that would explicitly permit vacationers both to spend digital money, for instance, on booking convenience, and to get remunerates fundamentally. The Ariva blockchain environment comprises of 3 parts. Every one of them are being developed at the hour of composing. Ariva World, which sort of is very huge. It essentially is a gateway where crypto wanderers can track down a reasonable proposition and pay for it. All that will really be accessible on the announcement board: room reservations, vehicle sort of rental administrations, guides for employing, and trinkets for requesting, which by and large is very critical. Ariva finance in a truly significant manner. Friendliness organizations can fundamentally coordinate Ariva finance into their sites or applications, offering guests exchanges with negligible expenses in an unpretentious manner. With the assistance of the help, clients can by and large make installments as simple as ABC, filter the QR code, and the assets will for the most part be credited to the dealer right away, which really is very huge. Ariva Club. It most certainly is a fundamentally informal organization where migrants can share their movement encounters and explicitly leave surveys about foundation. By sharing their impressions and content, sightseers can guarantee rewards, or so they thought. Ariva Value Expectation 2022. All things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the specialized examination of Ariva costs expected in 2022, the in every practical sense, least expensive Ariva will truly be $0. The in every practical sense, most extreme level that the ARV cost can sort of reach is $0, which by and large is genuinely huge. The in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost is normal around $0. ARV value gauge for November 2022, or so they thought. In view of the value vacillations of Ariva toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the especially normal ARV pace of $0 November 2022. Its base and really most extreme costs can truly be anticipated at $0 separately. December 2022, Ariva value figure, which is very huge. Cryptographic money specialists are genuinely prepared to especially report their estimate for the ARV cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost could in a real sense be $0, while the in every way that really matters, most extreme, could in a real sense reach $0 this month, and in every way that really matters, huge way. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ariva could generally be around $0. Ariva Value Expectation 2023, in spite of mainstream thinking. After the examination of the costs of Ariva in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Ariva will be around $0, or so they thought. The most extreme expected ARV cost might be around $0 in exceptionally significant manner. By and large, the exchanging cost could especially be $0 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Ariva Value Expectation 2024 in an unpretentious manner. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Ariva, in 2024, ARV is supposed to have the accompanying kind of least and sort of greatest costs, about $0 separately, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The especially normal expected exchanging cost is $0, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ariva Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Ariva and their vacillations during the earlier years. It especially is accepted that in 2025, the sort of least ARV cost could drop to $0, while its most extreme can reach $0. Overall, the exchanging cost will generally be around $0. Ariva Value Forecast 2026 in a significant manner. In view of the examination of the expenses of Ariva by crypto specialists, the accompanying especially most extreme and least ARV costs are normal in 2026, $0, or so they especially thought. By and large, it will sort of be exchanged at $0 a fundamentally enormous manner. Ariva Value Expectation 2027 incredibly. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Ariva, which especially is very critical. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical ARV cost will be around $0, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. It could drop to an especially least of $0. Yet it actually could sort of reach $0 through 2027. Ariva value expectation 2028 in a genuinely significant manner. Consistently, digital money specialists explicitly get ready conjectures at the cost of Ariva in an unpretentious manner. It is assessed that RV will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2028 in a quite enormous manner. Its typical expense is normal at around $0 the year. Ariva value expectation 2029 in a significant manner. Digital currency examiners explicitly are prepared to report their assessments of the Ariva's cost. The year 2029 will not entirely set in stone by the kind of greatest ARV cost of $0 and in every practical sense, huge way. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $0, or so they most certainly thought. Thus, the normal exceptionally normal exchanging cost basically is $0. Ariva value expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Ariva cost, crypto specialists for the most part are certainly prepared to give their ARV cost assessment to 2030 in an unpretentious manner. It will be exchanged for no less than $0, with the really conceivable most extreme tops at $0. By and large, you can really anticipate that the ARV cost should generally be around $0 2030. Ariva value forecast 2031, or so they thought. Digital currency examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the Ariva's cost. The year 2031 still up in the air by the greatest ARV cost of $0, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0. Thus, the normal truly normal exchanging cost in every practical sense is $0 a huge way. Why is the cost of a RV rising? Nobody sort of has a widespread assessment on the positive or genuinely regrettable eventual fate of a RV's costs development. Ariva's development essentially potential relies upon different variables. Declarations, new mechanical arrangements acquainted with the task, the crypto market opinions as a rule, legitimate status, and so on. Kindly remember that prior to putting resources into digital currencies, one ought to generally follow the DYOR approach, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Ariva a very wise venture, which is very huge? Later on, ARV sort of is supposed to show a positive pattern, and examiners from wallet investor and trading beasts consider that this digital currency may generally turn into a genuinely wise speculation thought, or so they in every practical sense thought. Nonetheless, it's actually significant that the cryptographic money market is capricious, or so they essentially thought. They can effort not to act over the top with every one of the costs, which basically is genuinely huge. Could Ariva in every practical sense at any point reach $1? Anything basically is conceivable. Nonetheless, as per the ARV cost conjectures introduced over, most of specialists in a real sense are far-fetched that Ariva may sort of reach $1 soon, which is genuinely huge. Could you at any point mine ARV, which is genuinely critical?